Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharshi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous Sutra 1.13, we understood that Abhyas is the continuous effort to remain steady in inner stillness. In this Sutra 1.14, Maharishi Patanjali explains how that practice matures and becomes firmly established. This is one of the most practical and inspiring sutra in Samadhipat. We learn how Abhyas becomes effective and stable. The sutra is Satu Dirghkal Nairantarya Satkar Sevitu Dradbhumi, meaning when the practice is continued for long time without interruption, with devotion and respect, it becomes firmly grounded. Maharishi Patanjali here explains three essential qualities for Abhyas. The first is Dirghkal, meaning long duration. True transformation takes time. Just as a seed needs consistent care to grow into a tree, likewise, mind too requires patient, lifelong nurturing. Occasional efforts may bring temporary calm, but steady efforts over the years build inner strength. The second quality is Nairantarya, which means without interruption. Continuity is the soul of practice. Even a small daily practice done with sincerity and consistency is more powerful than intense practice done irregularly. So, Maharishi Patanjali reminds us that yoga is not achieved by burst of efforts but by rhythm and constancy. Third quality is Satkar Sevitu, meaning devotion, reverence, sincere interest. Practice must not be done mechanically but with love, respect, and faith in its purpose. The attitude of Shraddha, devoted interest, keeps the practice meaningful. When the practice is approached with care, there is a sacred relationship between seeker and the path. When Abhyas is done for a long time, with regularity and deep faith, it becomes firm, just as repeated mark made by the rope on a rock leaves a lasting impression. Also, just as water drops falling constantly on a stone can create hollow, so too constant practice engraves steadiness in the heart. Another example you can take is a student who is learning meditation or music, who practices daily, even for 15 minutes, grows faster than the one who learns, practices intensely for a few days and stops. So, regularity outweighs intensity. This sutra reveals secret of mastery, not perfection, but perseverance. Three qualities: time, continuity, and devotion. They can transform mere an effort into abhyas sadhana. Many seekers give up due to impatience, inconsistency. Therefore, Maharishi Patanjali advises us to anchor the practice with three qualities: Dirghakal, Nairantarya, Satkar, long term commitment, regularity, and reverence. Through such practice, Abhyas becomes Dradbhumi, firmly grounded, upon which deeper states of yoga can blossom effortlessly. So ask yourself, is my practice steady or it depends on my mood and convenience? Can I commit to consistency even if it means simple, small, daily practice? Do I approach my practice with gratitude and reverence, seeing it as a sacred time between myself and the divine? So, The essence of Sutra 1.14 is practice becomes powerful when it is long term, consistent, and filled with devotion. Because the true progress in yoga is not measured by intensity but by sincerity and continuity. Abhyas done this way becomes an unshakable, firm ground of peace. So, this was about Sutra 1.14. We will meet in the next episode with the next sutra. Namaste.